Hello everyone, welcome back to chalchanger. In today's video, we're going to cover basic functions on the Raspberry Pi 4. So once you have gotten your Raspberry Pi 4 set up, which if you haven't by this point, you can check out the video in the I button above. You can see that there's a desktop. You have this bar at the top, which we call a taskbar. Here we have a wallpaper. You can click on any of these things that we call tasks. So we have the Raspberry icon, which opens certain different options. You have the option for your web browser, you have the option for the file explorer, and you have the command prompt. The right-hand side of the menu houses the system tray. Here, if you have any removable storage such as USB memory sticks connected to Raspberry Pi, you'll see an eject symbol. Click on this will allow you to safely eject and remove them. On the far right is a clock, which you can also see to have a digital calendar. Next, we have a speaker icon, we have a network icon, and we have Bluetooth. You can use any of these. Now I'm going to show you the web browser. So it depends on which one you enabled when you set up, Chromium or Firefox. But when you open your web browser, you'll get a screen that looks somewhat like this. And from here, you can go to any site on the web and search anything just like any other computer. Now I'm going to show you the file manager. So you can go to the button that is right to the web browser and the left side of this command prompt. So you click on this and you can see all your files from here. So you can go to desktop, you can go to downloads, wherever you save your files. So that's something nice. One more thing I'm going to show you in this video is the command prompt feature. So if you open this, I actually opened it twice here, but if I could close one of them, you can insert any command in here. So that was it for this video. If you would like me to cover more features on the Raspberry Pi, make sure to leave a comment. If you want to learn how to safely shut down your Raspberry Pi without corrupting it, don't forget to watch the video on the screen now.